How to install an EASYKit when replacing an old intercom. Start by removing the currently installed entrance panel. There is no need to retain or remember any element of the existing panel. The EASYKit requires just 2 cores of the installed wiring. Ensure the installation is switched off by following safe isolation procedures before starting work. Select 2 wires from the existing installation to reuse and discard all others. Make sure unused wires are electrically isolated. Connect the 2 wires to the D1, D2 terminals on the terminal block of the EASYKit entrance panel. Locate and make note of where the opposite end of these wires terminate for later use. In most installations, it will be in the electrical panel for the house where the intercom power supply is normally installed. Mount the rain shield on the wall. Use a spirit level to ensure it's horizontally straight. Plug the D1, D2 terminal block into the entrance panel and then attach the panel to the rain shield. Use the provided M2.5 Torx screw to secure the entrance panel to the rain shield. Replace the fixing screw cover using the security key and screws. Proceed to disconnect and remove the internal intercom. Just like the entrance panel, the existing wires will be reused. The EASYKit monitor will require 4 cores. Make cosmetically good all the existing fixing holes which are no longer needed for fixing the EASYKit monitor's wall mounting plate. In most installations, these wires will also terminate in the electrical panel for the house where the intercom power supply is normally installed. Select 2 of the wires at the monitor for the D1, D2 connection and join them to the entrance panel's D1, D2 wires. Select an additional 2 wires at the monitor for the power supply connection. At the monitor, join the provided power plug onto the wires selected for the power supply connection. Mount the monitor's wall plate to the wall. Use a spirit level to ensure it's horizontally straight. Connect the D1, D2 wires joined to the entrance panel to the terminal block of the EASYKit monitor. All EASYKit monitors install in the same way. The 2-wire cable terminates to the D1 and D2 connection plug. Insert the power plug into the socket marked Power In. Hook the monitor onto the wall mounting plate. Use the Auto Power On feature to test the monitor after powering on the system.